Yeah, let's start our class.
Yes, sir.
Hope you can see the PPT presentation. And today we will complete this discussion of the chapter linear equations in two variables with the exercise 4.3 continuation from the NCERT exemplar problems. Children, yesterday we solved question number 1 from the exercise 4.3 and question number 2 just we I explained you as I said it's something like sample question number 3 type. Here once again I'll reinforce on this question and move on further. Here given linear equation 2x plus 5y equals to 19 is assumed as equation 1. They say find a point on the graph of this equation 1 whose ordinate means y coordinate is 1.5 times of its abscissa. So we will assume let the point on the graph of linear equation 2x plus 5y equals to 19 is P A comma B. This is our assumption. With that assumption, I am taking the condition given for this point ordinate. It is given that in P means in the point P A comma B, B is equals to 1.5 times of A. As they said, ordinate is 1.5 times of abscissa. Now it implies B equals to 1.5 time can be written as 3/2 times of A. Further, 2B equals to 3 times A. So this becomes linear equation 1 and it is linear equation 2. See children, we have assumption that the point on the graph of linear equation 2x plus 5y equals to 19. We use that condition now. What is that condition says? Since the point P A comma B lie on linear equation 1, it satisfies it. It satisfies the equation. You say better. It satisfies the linear equation. Therefore, 2 times A plus 5 times B is equal to 19. This is equation 3. Equation 3. Now, I'm going to use linear equation 2 and 3 solve further. How means? Instead of B or instead of A, I can substitute the other value. It implies here, suppose if I substitute instead of A 2B by 3 or instead of B 3/2A, any one is enough. So what I am going to do is I am going to substitute instead of B only. What is that they said? 3/2 times of A. They gave no, that only I am substituting. Is equals to 19. How it has come? Since B is 3/2 times A given. It is given to us. Now as a continuation, if you solve this, how to solve? 2A plus 5 into 3, 15A by 2 equals to 19. And further, if you solve it by taking LCM, okay, here I am doing it since there is no place, and further slide will have a question. So this 2 is the LCM, and this 2 when I take as LCM 1 and 2 between them, LCM is, yes. So this 2 will multiply here. So 2 2s are 4, 4A plus here 1
And B
will
is equal to
multiply
3, sir.
here. 15 times of 1 is 15A is equals to 19. Now 4A plus 15A is 19 times A upon 2 equals to 19. Then further 2 comes here, multiplies 19, and this 19 comes here, does division. So 19, 19 cancels. Therefore, as you said, A is equals to 2. You got the value of A now. The moment we substitute
B
A
is
value,
equal to 3.
exactly. Very good. B is equals to 3. If I substitute A value here in this, B equals to 3/2 times A. In that, if I substitute 2, 2 cancels and B becomes 3. Now, the assumption point can be written as, now, what is the point? The point. Therefore, the point P is 2, 3. That's how we find. Is it clear to you? If it is clear, put a thumbs up. Don't speak, just put a thumbs up. Okay.
Sir, I can't understand B, sir.
Who is speaking? Akash. Can't tells your ability. Couldn't tells your for this situation you couldn't understand. That's couldn't. Okay. Not can't. Can't means you are not interested to understand. You are refused to understand. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಡುಂಟ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಪುಟ? ಓಕೆ ಆಕಾಶ್?
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬೇರೆ, ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬೇರೆ. ಕಾಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದ ನಮಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸಾರ್ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀನು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇನು? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ 2x plus 5y equals to 19. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇದಿದೆಲ್ಲ, ಇದದ್ದು ನಾವು ಚಿತ್ರ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಕಂಡಿಡಿರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ. ಏನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅದು ಅದದ ಆಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ 1.5 ಪಟ್ಟು ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ, 1.5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಅದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಅಂತ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಂದು A, B ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು A, B ಅಂತ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡದ ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ B ಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ B ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಗೆ 1.5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಅದರದಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಂತು. B equals to 3/2 times A ಆರ್ 2B equals to 3A ಅಥವಾ A equals to 2B by 3. ನಾವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದರೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಜಿಮ್ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಪಿ ಎ ಕಮ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇದು. ನಂತರ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಗೀಚಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತದಂತೆ, ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರ್ತದಂತೆ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ 2a ಬರ್ತದೆ, ವೈ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ 5b ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ 2a + 5b = 19 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಎರಡು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಎ ಕಮ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಎ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಬಿ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ನಮಗೆ 2a + 5 × 3/2a ಬಂತು. ಇದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು 8th 7th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 5 × 3/2a, 5 × 3 15, 15a ಅಪಾನ್ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 2a/1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 1 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೂ ಈ 2ಗೂ LCM 2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ 2a ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4a + 15a × 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 15a 4a + 15a is 19a. 19a/2 ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ 19/2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, 19 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 19 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಬರೀ 2 ಉಳಿತು. ಸೊ ಎ ಬೆಲೆ 2 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಬರೀ ಎ ಬೆಲೆ 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3/2 × 2. ಸೊ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆಕಾಶ್?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what if A become 3 and B
ಹಳೆ
become
ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ
2?
ಬಾರ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿತ್ತು. ಏನಂತ ಬಾರ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀನು ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತೀಯ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಬ್ಯಾಳೆ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀನು ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇರ್ತೀಯ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅದನ್ನು ಬಾರ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಿನಗೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ, ನೀನು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾರಿ ಅದರ ರೊಕ್ಕ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ರೊಕ್ಕ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕಿನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವನು ಕೊಡೋದು, ಅವನ ಬ್ಯಾಳೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಬ್ಯಾಳೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಎರಡೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಕ್ಕಿ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಳೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ನೀನು 1 kg ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವನು 1 kg ಬ್ಯಾಳೆ ಕೊಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ ಅರ್ಧನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಈ ಬಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಳೆ ಅಕ್ಕಿಗೆ 1.5 ಪಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಅಕ್ಕಿ 1 kg ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಳೆ ಕೊಡೋದು 3 kg ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ, ನೀನು ಅಕ್ಕಿ 3 kg ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ 1.5 kg, ನೀನು ಅಕ್ಕಿ 1.5 kg ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಅವನು ಬ್ಯಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವನ 1 kg ಬ್ಯಾಳೆದ ಬೆಲೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕಿಯ 1.5 ಪಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನ. ಅದು ಅವನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನೀನು ಅದನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂತ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ತಿಳಿತಾ ಈಗ? ಓ ಆಕಾಶ ಅದಿ? Okay, then let's move on to the next question.
Sir, what if A become 3 and B become 2? Equation changes, sir.
ಅದು ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ? ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದ್ರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ಇದು ಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ಆಪ್ಸಿಸ್ಸಾಕ್ಕಿಂತ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1.5 times ಆಫ್ ಆಪ್ಸಿಸ್ಸಾ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಸಿಸ್ಸಾಕ್ಕಿಂತ 1.5 times ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, 1.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಸಿಸ್ಸಾಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ನಿನಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆಪ್ಸಿಸ್ಸಾಕ್ಕಿಂತ. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಅಂದಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 3, 2 ಬರಬಹುದು.
Sir,
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ
sir,
ಗಂಗಾಧರ್
I
ಹೇಳಿ.
solved. Sir, check it is correct or not, sir.
ಪುಟ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಪಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುವ, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಾಲ್ I will see that after me completing class and stopping recording. Let's move on. Question number 3. First, let us see the question. What is question? Draw the graph of the equation represented by a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. What do you mean by parallel to x-axis? How do you
The horizontal line.
y?
It is a horizontal line.
Y equal to at a distance 3 units below. Y equal to very good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
-3.
The moment you got correct equation, no doubt you will solve properly. So first, I have graph. I have taken a ordinate, Cartesian plane, and I am showing points. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I am drawing a line. Is it clear how to do?
Sir,
I didn't find a table. Why? Because I am very sure by this time you will find it. Y value remains same. Only these will change. It can be 0, -1, 2,
1,
like
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
you know now how to find real. That's the way of plotting graph. Now move on to the question number 4. Now read the question. Draw the graph of the linear equation whose solutions are represented by the points having the sum of coordinates as 10 units. One of the
Sir,
simple
A
question but
plus B is
beautiful
equals
question.
to 10.
Very good. ನಿನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನು?
X plus Y is equals to 10.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. x plus y equals to 10. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್
Then
is
we
x, y. Yes.
sir, assuming value of X is equals to 2, then Y is
Yes.
equals to 5.
So now
Y is equal to 8, sir.
yes, 0, 10,
Eight.
10, 0,
Sir, 4.
8, 2,
X is equal to 4.
Yes,
X is equal to 4. Y is equal to 6.
6. You know how to find it. Now, do you know how
Yes,
to
sir.
plot the graph? Do you know how to plot the graph?
Yes, sir.
And what is the
Yes,
specialty
sir.
of that graph of the equation? Tell me.
Straight line, sir.
Graph of linear equation must be straight line.
Sir,
It's any specialty?
Sir, any point if you add, sir, 10 will only come, sir.
Okay, okay. That is the
Sir,
equation here. Will it
it is
pass
passes
through
through origin.
Will it pass through
Yes,
origin?
sir.
No, it won't pass
Yes,
through
sir.
origin.
No, sir.
Not pass through origin, sir.
It won't pass through origin. Okay.
Sir, because 0 plus 0 will be 0 only, sir.
But here there is a constant term, Chandru. It won't pass through origin. And I will ask you a tricky question now. Find the area of a triangle formed by this line along with the x and y axis. Let us see how many of you will tell me.
Sir, 50. 50.
Perfect. 50. 50 square units correct.
Square.
Why? Because this will give 1 point, 0, 10. On y-axis, this will give another point on x-axis. So definitely tells length of the one of the perpendicular side and another perpendicular sides. So half into 10 into 10 is equals to 50 square units will be the area of that triangle. Have you understood how beautifully you could answer now? It is
Yes, sir.
that much simple. Okay, the moment you get the complete concepts clarity, you will answer any set of questions. You didn't draw graph, but still you answered correctly. Then let's move on to the question number 5. Question number 5. write the linear equation such that each point on its graph has ordinate 3 times its abscissa. How do you write it? Let that point,
Sir, x is equal to 3y.
okay, ordinate is,
Sir,
X
y
is
is equal to
3y.
3x.
ordinate is, not abscissa is 3 times ordinate. Remember, ordinate 3 times means ordinate is bigger than abscissa. So y equal to 3x. Okay, wait.
Sir, x is equal to 3, y is
Sir,
equal
1
to 6.
plus 3.
No.
1
No.
is 3,
No.
3, 9.
You know
X
how
is
to
equal
find
3
the
and y is
points.
equal to 6.
You know how to find the points, but he's not asking us to find the points. He's asking us to find the linear equation. This is the answer. And where the correction is,
ಒಂಬತ್ತುವರೆಗೆ ಸರ್.
yeah, you need to understand ordinate is 3 times its abscissa. Andre y equal to 3x anta. Okay?
No, sir. Abscissa is x. No, sir. X is abscissa, then y is ordinate.
Howdu ordinate equal to,
Then ordinate is y, no, sir. Then it will come 3x is equal to 3y is equal to y, sir. 3y is equal to x.
ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡು. I am 3 times your age. I am 3 times as old as you. ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? I am Bhushan 3 times as old as you, Ved. Tell me, who is elder?
You, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? ಭೂಷಣ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಭೂಷಣ್ 3 ಸರ್ತಿ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇದ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? ಅಥವಾ
Yes, sir.
3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಭೂಷಣ್ ಅಂತೀಯ?
No, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹಂಗಾಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
I am ordinate 3 times its abscissa ಅಂದರೆ y equal to 3 ಪಟ್ಟು x ಗೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಹಂಗ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸಿ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೋದು. ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, you do all mistakes now and get corrected and never do the repetition of those mistakes in exam. Okay, y
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 3x is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ. ನೋಡುವ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ.
Sir, 5/3.
Perfect. Correct, Nikhil. 5/3. 3 times of 4 equals to a time of 3 plus 7. Since the point lies on this graph, it satisfies. So 3 4 12 12 equals to 3 a plus 7 7 addend ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಕಲನ ಆಗುವುದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೊರಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಕಲನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 12 minus 7 is equals to 3a, 5 equals to 3a, 3 is multiplying. If it comes that side, it does division. So 5/3 is the right answer. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's move on to the
Yes,
next
sir.
question. Question number 7. How many solutions of the equation 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3 are there on the number line on the Cartesian plane? See, this is 2x minus x plus 1 equals to minus 3. 2x minus x becomes x.
X plus 1.
Equal to plus 1. If it comes this side, it becomes subtract.
Minus 4.
Minus. So this is the, how do you say? On a number line,
Solution.
only one solution. On a Cartesian plane,
Many, sir.
many.
Infinitely.
Understood?
Infinite combination.
That's
Yes, sir.
good. That's good. That's good. So you know x equals to minus 4 will be a line parallel to y-axis below the x-axis at a distance of 4 units. You know that explanation also. Next question and last question. No, not last. Maybe 2 more are there. Okay. Find the solutions. Find the solutions of the linear equation x plus 2y equals to 8, which represents a point on x-axis, on y-axis. Superb question. How will you say? On x-axis, how will you get?
Sir, 0,4.
No.
0,4.
Yeah, on x-axis always some number come.
Sir, 8,0. Sir,
Hmm.
8,0.
That's what. See, don't go confusion again. Any point lying on x-axis will have its ordinate 0. So number comma 0 will be a point on x-axis. So
Sir, for y-axis,
condition
0,
this I'll
4.
substitute here.
0,8, sir.
So if I
Sir, for
substitute,
y-axis 0,4.
0,4 sir.
0,4 sir.
yes, ಇದು ಏನು 0,4 is right answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Both points will be there in MCQs. Option A, option B, option C, option D. 8,0, 0,4, 8,4, none. Like this will be there. And I'll ask exclusively point on x-axis. If I'm asking a point on x-axis and if you write this, you have gone wrong. So be careful. Even ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಈ ತರನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ 0,8 ಅಂತಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
On axis first letter means 8,0 is there that we contract 0,8 sir.
ಹಿಂಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಪ್ಪು ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಏನ್ ನಾನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಸೇ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. Any point lying on x-axis will have its ordinate 0. That you remember and you substitute that here. 0 if you substitute, you will get, sorry. If you substitute 0 properly, let me wipe out and write properly. Yes, here. The moment you write equation,
Sir,
with
easy
the
trick is in
condition that
first x-axis. If x-axis they asked that number that point should lie on x-axis, then you should multiply 0 with you should
Y.
multiply y, sir.
substitute.
0.
We have to substitute,
Yes.
not multiply, substitute. Substitute
Yes, sir.
y as
Yeah.
0
0.
because
In
the point is
y-axis,
lying
you
on
should
x.
substitute
Yes.
x as 0, sir.
Correct. That condition we have to remember always. Any point lying on x-axis will have its y coordinate 0. So we will substitute instead of y 0. Any point lying on y-axis, its axis are 0. So we will substitute instead of x 0. So that is very important, that idea condition. Okay. Last question number 9. You find the value of C.
Sir, 2.
For what value of C? The linear equation 2x plus cy equals to 8 has equal values of x and y. Is C equal to 2 only? Sure?
C is equal to 2, sir.
Sure?
C is 2 sir.
The x and y values are equal. That means x equals to y.
C is equal to 6, sir. 6.
2x plus c time x equals to 8. So x of 2 plus c equals to 8. ಇದೇನು ನಾನೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವೇರ್ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದ for what value of c this linear equation has equal values of x and y. X and y values are equal. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ
Sir, 6 can come, sir.
x and y values are equal. X and y values are equal only when
C can be
no c is
Sir,
C is a 6,
D,
sir.
sir.
sir, and X and Y are also 2, sir.
Yes, here 2 into x, 2 2s are.
2 into 2, sir.
Yes, correct. C must be 2. C must be 2. Then only 2 2s are 4 plus 2 2s are
Support.
4 equals to 8. That's correct. C equals to guarantee 2. And x equals to y happens only when x equals to 2 and y equals to 2. That implies C value 2 2s are
Sir, I not
2 2s
understood,
are
sir.
equals to 8.
Sir, how to get it, sir? I didn't understand.
So 2c equals to 4 and c equals to 2. See, x equals to y is the condition given to us. Okay. If x equals to y, let's say that can be,
Sir, in
huh,
exemplar book, it is given that C is equal to 8 minus 2x divided by x.
see, that is here x equals to y. When I substitute x equals to y, it becomes 2x plus c times x equals to 8, right? This is the condition, first point. The condition x equals to y, x can be taken common, so 2 plus c becomes as a one of the multiplicator equals to 8. So x equals to 8 upon 2 plus c. This comes first, the value of x, and the value of y is also same, na? This is the same value. Now these two are equal only when c is 2, 2 plus 2, it has gone 2
Sir,
plus,
if you took C as 3 also, then value of x will be 5 by
5 by
8 by
8 by 5. Okay.
yes, sir.
But same value will you get for y?
Yes, sir. If you took 8 by 5 value for y also, sir.
Okay, let's say you have taken 2 times of 8 by 5 plus 8 by 5 times c. C is, as you said, 3. So I have taken 3. If c is 3, then only you said 8 by 5 comes. Now, is there sum? 16 plus 24 by 5. What is their sum? 40 by 5. It is 8. Correct? If C is
Yes,
3, on
Sir, like
substitution,
that, we can do any number.
yes, LHS equals to RHS. It is becoming. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If C is 4, then X is 8 by 6. And even Y is 8 by 6. So 2 times 8 by 6 plus 4 times of 8 by 6. This is LHS on substitution in this equation. Now it becomes 16 plus 8 fours are 32 by 6. How much it is? 48 by 6. It is equals to 8. It is equals to RHS. I started with LHS on substitution of X, Y and C value. I got RHS. That means earlier what I was trying to solve was correct. Let me explain. Why it is not going? It has to go. 1 minute. I'll just stop the presentation. Now, see children, here they said the values of x and y are equal. So that means x equals to y will come automatically. That condition is there. And the given equation is 1. If I substitute x equals to y in the equation 1, 2 times x plus c times of x, instead of y I substituted x, equals to 8. 2x plus cx, x when it is taken as common out, it becomes 2 plus c. So x into 2 plus c is 2x plus cx. By distributive property, we have done that. Then this x into 2 plus c, it's a multiplicand. If it is sent that side, x equals to 8 upon 2 plus c. And since x is equals to y, the value of y is also 8. Y is also 8 by 2 plus c. Remember, here for this, c value can be any number. Therefore, for any value of c, x equals to y is equals to 8 upon 2 plus c. This is the condition. Is
Sir,
it clear?
if you take any other number,
Yes. C equals to 1 you take and substitute 8 by 2 plus 1. 8 by 2 plus 1 is 8 by 3. You substitute here, instead of x, 8 by 3, instead of y, 8 by 3, and c as 1, automatically LHS value equals to RHS value it becomes. If you take c as 2 also, it comes same. If c becomes 3 also, it has come same. If c, I have taken c equal to 3 and c equals to 4, I tried now. Okay?
yes, sir.
All that will come. Okay? So here for any value of c, x equals to y happens when it is of the form 8 by 2 plus c. Then moving on to the next question, question number 10. What is the question number 10?
But in my exemplar book, the answer is given as c equal to 8 minus 2x divided by x, sir.
8 minus
2x by x, sir.
See,
X is not equal to 0.
he is doing same,
Yes, sir.
simple.
X is also not
He-
equal to 0, sir. The
He is
given,
doing
sir,
this,
here.
dear. He is trying to find the value of c. That's it, in this way. By transposing 2x, by transposing y, he is doing like this. 8 minus 2x by y. He is saying that way. But this is more specifically when x equals to y happens for any value of c, when the x and y are of the form 8 by 2 plus c. Same thing comes. If you
It means both answers are same, sir.
obviously this is more specific for any value of c. When c is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, any value if I take, x equals to y happens. Okay. And this is the redundant, means confusing questions. Such questions are confusing questions. Ultimately, the MCQ, if anyone says for any value of c is the right answer. For any value of c is the right answer. Next, moving on to the question number 10. Let y varies directly with x. Y varies directly with x. Therefore, y is equals to k times x. You know, from the class 8 standard direct proportionality, you got this equation. Next, if y is 12, when x is 4, what is the value of k?
3, sir.
Write the linear equation. So it becomes 4k equals to 12 or k equals to 3. This is the linear equation in one variable. Next, what is the value of y when x equal to 3? So y equals to 3
equals
you
to
have
5, sir.
already got. This is the
They told
linear
x
equation.
equal to 5, sir.
Now, if x equals to 5,
Sir, 5 by 3.
if x equals to 5, now they said, therefore y equal to
5 by 3, sir.
15.
Sir.
Sir, 15, sir, 15.
Why? Because 3 into 5 will come, na? Have you understood? If y equals to 12 and x equals to 4, that they gave for the sake of finding k value, you found the k value. After finding k value, you substituted in the equation 1, which gave us equation 2, y equal to 3x. Now, using this equation, he is asking you to find the what is the value of y when x equal to 5. If x equals to 5, substitute in this 3 into 5. So y becomes 50. Okay?
Sir, here we can't multiply with 5, sir, with x.
Prajwal?
Sir, here k is equal to 3 we found, sir.
Yes. That we substituted back in the equation 1 to get the linear equation. Okay? So y equals to 3x we got. From that y equals to 3x, we are finding any values. It is simple. What he said, ನಾಲ್ಕು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬೆಲೆ 12 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? 4 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬೆಲೆ 12 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. 4 chocolates cost 12 rupees. Then what is the cost of one chocolate? One chocolate is 3 rupees. He is asking now, find the cost of 5 chocolates. Cost of 5 chocolates is the moment unitary method tells you, you know one cost of 1 unit and the 5 units will be 5 into 3. Like that it is coming. Is it clear? Now, let's, last 5 minutes are there. And here I have finished all the questions. Okay. So with this chapter completely I have discussed with you. Wishing you good luck for your upcoming test on 30th. Do well.